My hair is crazy. Okay, so day in the life of a small business owner, episode 1. I'm getting ready to go to the post office and drop off some orders. I have 1 order for Tennyson Jewelry and I have 2 orders for 3milelaneco. So I need to hightail it and grab my shoes. Oh, it got dark. I need to grab some shoes, grab my purse and my orders, which I have. Where are my flip-flops? Here they are. These will do. I do have to run inside the post office so that I can drop off the orders and check the P.O. box. So I'm gonna pick up lunch after that too. There's this really yummy restaurant called The Sage where we get lunch all the time. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll see you in the truck. They're so freaking loud. I thought that, like, it scared me because I could hear the screaming from upstairs.
They have the regular talking at one level, and then the scary parts are amplified by 10 times.
Yeah. Hi, Phoebe. Hello.
Who are you talking to up there?
Hello, just myself. I'm vlogging. Oh, look at you pull yourself up. Hi, mister. Nope, wrong keys. Oh! There's some orders. I really don't think the camera's gonna stay there. I need something better while I'm in the car. Oh, turn that down. Okay. I should probably put my, oh, hello. Sunglasses. I got my phone, my mask. All right, so lunch has been acquired. I love it because it's normally a place where you have to go in and drive through, or go in and sit down and eat. But because of everything going on, I don't love that part, but they have turned it kind of into a to-go only, and they kind of have a drive-through. So they just go out the back door and you can just literally drive right up to the curb and they just hand it to you through your window, and if you've already paid, you're done and you just go. Soup and sandwich, I'll show you in a minute. And it's so good. So the post office was busy as all get out. So I was in and out really fast. I couldn't film anything because it was really, really busy. I like to drop my packages off later in the evening, or I will do a mail pickup, but I just didn't have time to do that today. So I needed to get those in the mail, so I had to drop them off. So I'm gonna have some lunch and keep working because I've got a lot of work to do today. Ugh, messy hair, don't care. That is one of my stickers in my shop because it's like life mantra. So we got a whole half a loaf of bread from this amazing little deli. I'm gonna call it a deli. It's a restaurant kind of, but I'm so excited because I got a quart of soup, which is a lot more than we usually get, but my son loves it, so we got a little extra. I'm just gonna slice this bread. Uh-oh, that's kind of crooked. So we've got some bread. Are you excited for lunch? What do you got there? Some snacks? Oh, you got some rice snacks. So this is the quart of soup. That's my mom's salad. And then I got a BLTA with turkey with no tomato. So, yum. Yeah, I know it's your favorite, isn't it? Creamy broccoli. Is that good bread? Oh, God, dip it in soup. Okay, I'm back in the office. I'm very full. I probably ate a little bit too much, and I didn't even really think that I ate that much. So now I'm just going through mail. I have a bunch of review crew mail to get through. It's a pile. It's getting a little out of hand, and I really need to do something about it. But I have such a long to-do list, I'm not quite sure what to do first. I really need to organize myself, figure out my priorities. This is from Amateur Free Spirit. She sent me a custom, some kind of a portrait she did for me. Not necessarily a portrait, but an artwork. And I'm really excited to get into it, but I think I have to open it before the others because it's kind of a big box. So it's not a small package. She reused the box, which is amazing. I love it when we can recycle the packaging, but it's taking up a lot of space and I don't have that much room. So I think I'm gonna open it and see what's in it. So I'm gonna get set up to do that. So I'm working on getting through my review crew packages. I've opened
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, I think I've opened like 9 so far. I try to open them all in one chunk, and then I have a whole bunch of videos on my phone ready to be uploaded to TikTok and Instagram as soon as I edit them and get them all presentable. And I still have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7 to go. But I just wanted to show you a couple of these before my battery dies. Oh no! I got this candle from Newberg Candles, which is, oh my goodness, so awesome. This is her autumn and apple orchard, but she gave me a gingerbread tea light. Oh my gosh. Coast Haven Designs, I just opened hers and she sent me a whole bunch of cool stickers, but this print is so cool. It's on the back of her thank you card and it says, "Be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody." I love that. So I just wanted to show you guys that while I was getting ready to open some more and film some more stuff. That's gonna be the rest of my afternoon. Hopefully I'll have time to do some more stuff, but I have to bust through these to get them up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Woo! Okay, so it is 4:30 p.m. Pacific time, and I've been in my office all freaking afternoon. Well, pretty much all day. I mean, I did leave for lunch and to go to the post office, but I finally uploaded my first tutorial to my YouTube channel and my intro video, so that's done. I got through a ton of filming for my review crews, but I still have to get them all ready in TikTok and put them in my drafts so that I can just post them out. And I do have some cold cup orders to do, so after dinner and after my son goes to bed, I'm going to be back in this room working on orders. But that's okay, because that's awesome. That's my favorite part of my business, is working on orders, because without orders, I have no business. Hey, I am in the office. Where else would I be? I'm working on some Patreon orders and I'm really excited about these. I designed this especially for the Patreons and also for some of my mystery cups. So this is my poppy design. I'm working on it right now, so it still has the transfer tape on it, but here's one that is finished. It is using Tech Wrap Craft vinyl, which is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. This cup is for Malia, and she's one of my patrons. Thank you, Malia. So this is what it looks like, and I think I'm gonna call it Wildflower, either Wildflower or Poppy. I haven't decided yet. So I'm just working on those, and I did not end the vlog yesterday, so I'm just gonna wrap this video into that one. And so I'm just gonna kind of show you my process and show you what I do. I've already put the vinyl on all the cups, so I can't show you that part, but I'm just gonna package them all up and I'll take you along on that. So yeah, hope you enjoy that, and here we go. So these are the boxes that I use. I've got 4 orders ready to get out the door. I'm gonna get ready to package them, but for the Patreon things, they get an exclusive coupon, which the code is right there, so I'm not going to show you that. But this is an extra that I'm throwing in. It's not something that is supposed to be in there, but I had extra vinyl on my wrap, so I decided to throw an extra name in. And for the $25 a month, they get a cold cup, my sticker of the month, and this is October's sticker, and this will be shortly available to everyone else, but the Patreons get it first. And then 2 extra stickers, and I'm throwing in 2 brand new designs. So this is my love sticker, which I just designed for my new launch coming up. And then this sticker, which is be happy, be kind, be you. So I thought that was kind of cute. And then, oh, whoops, there's 2 business cards in here. There's only supposed to be 1, so I'll take one out. And then a straw, a lid, and the cup. So they also get early access to purchase new items. So that is what is inside these boxes. These last 2 are normal orders. The first 2 are the patron orders. So I'm just gonna get ready to wrap them all up and get them in the boxes and get the labels on. Alright, so each order gets a tumbler care card as well, and a coaster. So there goes a coaster. So that is how I package my cold cups. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna end this vlog here so that I can start the next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure that if you like this, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!